Hello, I am Devan Shahir, Data Science and Business Analyst at Spark Foundation. This is task second on unsupervised algorithm using Iris dataset. First, I have imported Panda and NumPy library and imported warning library for ignoring the warnings when you plot a graph or a chart. For ignoring that, we use a filter warning method that will ignore it, means it will not show you while running the code. And then we have imported the Irish data set, that is .csv comma separated data set, and we have put it in data frame df, and this data set having id, sepal length, sepal width, petal width and species. Then we have defined the shape, means the number of rows and columns. There are total 150 rows and 6 columns. And then columns, how many columns are there, and their data type object. And we have described the minimum, maximum values of the columns. For example, the maximum sepal length is 7.9, 2.5 for petal width. These are the values. And then we have defined the values of for species, means in a species column how many values are there. There are 3: iris, setosa, versicolor and virginica. Their data type is object using unique method. And then we have gave the information, means for checking the null values in the data set. For that we use info method, and then we don't have to, and here it is not null. For then we don't have to go for checking is null. And then for the algorithm we will drop id and the species column, because in unsupervised learning we use only the feature. For that we'll drop id and species and we'll put it into new data frame, that is df irish. Then we have to estimate we have to check for the clusters, how many clusters are there. For that we will first import k-mean algorithm, k-mean class, and here we'll run a loop for 1 to 14, and we have n clusters equals to k, and we'll fit it to the k-mean class, and then we'll append it to the sum of squared errors. It will sum up it using inertia, km.inertia. It will give you the sum of squared errors, and it will append to sum of squared errors array. And then we have plotted it, and through this diagram we can estimate that there are 3 clusters. After that all the clusters are constant, so we will put n clusters equals to 3, and then init equals to k-means, and then we'll fit and predict our Irish dataset. And then when we'll print pred value, that is the predicted value, that will show 0, 1 and 2, that reflects the sets, means 0 reflect to Irish setosa, 1 reflect to Irish versicolor, 2 reflect to Irish virginica. For that we have defined the centroids for all the clusters, and this is the using cluster centers. And then we have predicted the we have visualized our clusters using scatter, plt.scatter. And then we have labels like this: blue, green and red, and all 3 species. And we have scattered it, and these are the centroids. Thank you.